Good day, traders. Um, this is the very first recorded video for Boiler Room, and we'll be discussing the basic module that we've been sharing for several weeks already. So it's basically a summary of everything that we have taught in the basics. So let's get started with the overview. So we have breakout trading analysis. So it's basically composed of the pre-Asian box, the pre-London box, the New York box, and the turtle soup. From that boxes, you will be able to create projection lines and triangles that could be your possible endpoints for TP levels. We also have um, enhancers as well, which is the time and price theory and the market profile. Now, as to the market profile, you could get the reference decision points at the website nofreefood at blogspot.com. So it's facilitated by Sir Aaron. So I will be discussing the majority of the basic module, but for the market profile, it would be Sir Aaron who would be um, discussing the basic and the advanced principle of it. So let us begin with the breakout trading analysis.